a rule that's called the 5-second rule, which says that if your visitors can't understand your offer in 5 seconds, they will leave. So keep your lead generation form, your landing page headlines clear and benefit focused, no jargon and no confusion. So make sure that everything is clear and your users understand what this is for and why is it popping up. And even if you showcase your form as a chatbot, the chatbot should be clear, concise, and provide value. There's a three-field sweet spot that says start with just name, email, and one qualifying question. So each additional form field drops the conversion rates by 4%. So you can always get more info later, but make sure that your form is asking for really essential questions. And it starts with your lead scoring process. When you're designing your lead scoring process and how you score your leads, make sure that you're setting really, really important and essential values. Like it depends on your business. You know your business best. If the location of the person is the most important one, you can ask for name, email, and location. If their I don't know, industry is the most important value, then you can ask for the industry. But make sure that you don't ask for extra information. You can always ask for extra information later, but make sure that the information you're asking is the real information you need for scoring that lead, and making sure that this lead is qualified and is the one that you should seek and you should nurture until they convert and they really need your business. And always test your lead magnets. Create multiple lead magnets for different audience segments, and a targeted checklist for beginners might convert better than a comprehensive guide for everyone, right? So make sure that the lead magnets you have on your website are converting, and test different types. The different types are surveys, quizzes, chatbots, subscribe to newsletter, estimate forms, quotation forms, and there are many different lead magnet types. And make sure that you test different types for different segments, see which lead magnet works for which lead segment, and double down on the ones that work and stop the ones that don't work. And add some social proof or proof of loss. Show either 50 people downloaded this guide today, or 90% of marketers say they wish they had this guide last year. So these things and fear of missing out drives action. So provide some information that makes you helps your audience understand that this guide is needed by everyone and they must have it. It's a must have. So build this fear of missing out or FOMO vibe on your lead magnets.